Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a good day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, let's just say Monday had a very good opening, especially if you just talk about Dogecoin. It was able to hold the price above 21 cents and make sure it does not go down and retest close to 25 cents. At the same time, Bitcoin was just consolidating close to 118. It was able to, become a little bit more volatile as more money was flowing in, but overall Ethereum was leading the chart and Dogecoin was leading the chart when it comes to meme coins. But I noticed in the comment section a lot of you guys really like when I go into analysis of different wallets which I have been paying attention to. Well, there are two which have stood out to me. Now this one you guys can see on the 20th, which is just about 48 hours ago, decided to purchase so much Dogecoin. When I mean so much, they purchased nearly $2 million worth of Dogecoin at the price of 25 cents. The price jumped to 27 cents and they sold about 1.3 million of their bag. And on the other end, this is another wallet that was very interesting. On the 16th at the price of 19 cents, purchased about $20 million worth of Dogecoin, and just in about 7 days have made a profit of about 8 million. That's insane, and they're still not taking the profit as they expect the price to climb even higher and maybe touch 32 cents. At the same time, trader James bets big on Dogecoin with a 10x leverage after making 540k profit. Now, this person is not small. Just to give you an idea, this is what he tweeted on Twitter. Did you get the memo? It's Doge season, and this was not posted long time ago, and you can see in a couple of hours it's already on 83,000 views. Very influential person. The White House is set to release a major Bitcoin report tomorrow, so in the next 24 hours we're going to be getting the report, and at the same time we will be seeing Powell after the rumors relating to his resignation around the same time. So the next 24 hours are going to be very critical for the entire crypto market, as there are some warnings which are flashing for Bitcoin. Before we get into the full details, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with Dogecoin, scroll down, tap the red subscribe button, especially turn on your notifications so you can stay up to date with the latest and the greatest news first. And while there, drop a like on the video, just update to algorithm, push the video to more people. More people are paying attention to what's happening to the Dogecoin market. They decide to buy into it. It starts spiking up and a lot of us make a lot of profit. Let's go for a like of 78. We've been smashing all of them and you guys are just legends. Now, first of all, let's talk about the open interest. For Dogecoin, you can see it's up about 15% just in the last 24 hours, sitting close to 2.4 billion. And even though the market is in a little bit of a consolidation state, you can see the amount of liquidations which are appearing is about 18 million. It gives you perspective that currently there is a lot of over leveraged plays which are coming through. And especially you can see a lot of leverage is being played by Bybit. I'm not saying everything is by the company, it's more like it's been shared between the users, but Bybit is definitely taking a lot bigger hits due to the fact maybe they're trying to recover some funds which were lost in the hacking of North Korean hackers that did to them. And long to the short ratio, it's strongly still in favor of long traders, sitting at about 76.6%. clearly suggesting that it's about to climb even higher. At the same time, this is a very interesting, which is whale transactions to exchanges have surged by 17 billion, rising from 28 billion to 45 billion between the 14th and the 18th. Now, this is a little scary. The reason I'm using the word scary is you guys need to understand, whenever any whale decides to put their money into an exchange, it's most likely for them to take a little bit of profit. And surging so high could be one of those warnings which we are talking about. First of all, this is exactly what I was talking about. Bitcoin whale to exchange flow spikes, meaning the long-term holders are also trying to take a little bit of profit. Now, if this profit taking becomes a lot stronger, this could definitely slow down the momentum of the entire market. And let me tell you one thing, at the same time, Bitcoin days destroyed hits yearly high. So beyond the whale flows, on-chain data shows another signal. Bitcoin's coin days destroyed is in July reached 1 year high. So this is pretty much trying to give you an idea that how long coins were held before being moved. It reflects the sentiment and the behavior of the long-term holders, and a high CDD value suggests long-term holders are moving their coin are likely to sell them. And seeing that it's at the highest point that we have seen in a long time, or 1 year high to be more precise, it definitely gives a little bit of a scary situation. And the altcoin to Bitcoin correction turns negative, clearly suggesting that the altcoins are taking the market by hand. And you can see that the altcoins are definitely leading the chart, as previously most of the middle ground was actually on the Bitcoin season, but slowly it's actually flipping to altcoin season. This is scary, keep in mind, because altcoins can do things well, but they do need Bitcoin to be healthy and climbing to ensure that people's sentiments stay green to be able to show more positive trend. And Dogecoin, as long as it's able to hold the support of 25 cents, 33 or even 40 cents is around the corner. And Bitcoin Archive reports a notable increase in the Google search by Bitcoin, and seeing spikes like this gives you an idea. Even for Dogecoin, it's a similar spike, and this gives you an idea that there is a lot of new people which are FOMOing into the crypto market currently as we speak. In Abu Dhabi, Judiciary to use crypto payments of legal fees. This is huge. Now, Abu Dhabi is not the first one that's done this. Dubai did something similar, but this gives you an idea that UAE is definitely turning more towards crypto, and that's why XRP or Ripple has been trying extremely hard to ensure that they're able to stay ahead of the game and actually stay close to everything relating to UAE. And US banking groups not happy with Ripple's banking license bid. Now, why is this a big deal? Because you guys know the last like 7-8 years, as long as I've been in crypto, even longer than that, honestly, like Ripple's been in a lot of problems because they're trying to get into the banking sector, and now due to stable coins becoming more legal due to Trump, Ripple doing the license bid, let's just say the banking groups or the banking giants are not very happy. India listed Jet King approves the private placement of 460,000 shares to expand the Bitcoin strategy. Now, they're trying to pretty much get involved with crypto, and that gives you idea as more and more different firms around the entire world are going to get involved with crypto, more money or liquidity will be flowing through. And Jack Dorsey's block set to join the S&P 500 this week. And you guys know that Jack Dorsey has always been, or he was the co-founder of Twitter. Now he is definitely a big supporter of crypto, and his companies are doing extremely well. Now, 8 billion worth of Bitcoin shorts to be liquidated at 180,000. Keep in mind, the reason we're in this stuck situation for Bitcoin currently is because there's just too much uncertainty, or you can say a lot of people think this would be the market top as we have already received the news, and a lot of people in the FOMO are jumping in. So it's like a crunch period. If this favors the long traders, it's definitely going to have a really strong pull up because all the short traders are going to get liquidated. And Dogecoin leads the meme coin rally with a 32% gain and mixed signals from the long-term holders. But overall, the market is still in a very positive sentiment as Bitcoin is steadying, and if it's able to just hold what's doing currently, there's a lot more upside potential as compared to downside. Just keep in mind, everything I said today is not financial advice, just my personal opinion. I hope you all have a good day, and I'll see you soon.